Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So round 2 MCC result is published. I believe most of you have seen the result who had done the choice filling, and very big congratulations to all of those who have got the seat freshly allotted or the seat upgraded from round 1 to round 2. In this video we are going to talk about all India quota 50% government colleges DNB and NB diploma cutoff details as well as the comparison of its shifting with the round 1. Okay, and we will also see the last year details and shifting of last year and its comparison with shifting in round 2 in 23 and shifting in round 2 in 22. Okay, uh, I will send this PDF, okay, in the Telegram group. How you can join the Telegram group? The link is available in the description of the video, and you can join our WhatsApp group also in case you are waiting for the cutoff revision. Okay, that link I will pin in the chat window of this video. Okay, so when we talk about the cutoff, okay, in radio diagnosis, the cutoff is 2252. Okay, so we got marginal positive shift in the round 1. There was negative shift comparison with the last year because of high demand of radio diagnosis, general medicine and gynecology, these branches. So just 380 of positive shift. In case of dermatology, the positive shift by 814 in general category, and it went up to 4584, and you can see its comparison with last year. Okay, so comparison with last year, there is a negative shift in radio diagnosis but positive shift in other branches. In case of general medicine, the cutoff rank is 5177 in general category, which has 925 approx 1000 of positive shift, and in comparison with last year round 2 where it was 4420, so there is a positive shift in general medicine. In case of pediatrics, you can see the positive shift is marginal, just 509, and in the first round comparison with last year, the shifting was of 1609. Since there was more shifting, that's why we could see not much of shift in pediatrics in this round, but in the further round also we will see the positive shift. I'll discuss about the rules also in the later part of the video, how we can go ahead and what to do and what is the next step. Orthopedics, there is positive shift, good positive shift, you will say 2379, and the closing rank is 12567 in the second round itself, which is much better comparison with last year, which was less than 11,000. In OBGY, the positive shift is there, okay, and the closing rank is 10,287 after positive shift and shifting by 1589. So in comparison with last year 10,299, this year it's almost once again, last year 10,299 and this year it has 2,287, so more or less same. Okay, because in the round 1 we didn't have that good positive shift in option gynae. Demand in general medicine, radio diagnosis and option gynae is huge this year, whether it's private college or government college. General surgery, the positive shift by 1647 and closing rank is 12,680. TV chest has less number of seats, that's why there is very marginal positive shift by 360. But if you look at emergency medicine, good positive shift by 2717 and closing rank up to 12,575. In pathology, the demand is very less, that's why another 10,000 positive shift in the round 2 comparison with round 1, and it went up to 47,000 round 2 itself comparison with last year, which was 38,000 approx. Psychiatric medicine has got a positive shift by 2,358 and its closing rank is 18,140, and ophthalmology closing rank is also around 19,000, positive shift by 2,203. In ENT, the closing rank is beyond 20,000 and the positive shift by 3,730 comparison with round 1. The shifting I am telling you is in comparison with round 1 in round 2. Okay, and anesthesia, the closing rank is 24,317 and positive shift by 3,500. In radio oncology, it's 25, so the last closing branch is radio oncology, After very good positive shift 6286, because in the round 1 the shifting was very less. Now let's talk about DNB. So what happened in DNB? In DNB, dermatology has negative shift comparison with round 1, and radio has positive shift but by just 519. Okay, the closing rank is 6045. In case of general medicine, it has taken positive shift, but more positive shift was expected, just 935, and the closing rank is 13,854. In round 3, it will get a positive shift further. In pediatrics, the positive shift by 2404, and the closing rank is 16,832. Now coming to orthopedics, where the passing rate is very poor, and that's why the positive shift by 3,231 and closing rank is 26,194. In OBGY, because it's more demand, it has very less shift comparison with round 1, just 548, and the closing rank is 16,442. You can do the comparison with last year. It was 14,814, and this year 16,442. In general surgery, positive shift by 2,600 and closing rank 24,652. In TB chest, due to less number of seats, the shift is good, but in the round 1 we had less shift and negative shift compared with last year. Its cutoff rank is 15,489. In pathology, another good positive shift by 7,000 in weight up to 51,895. DNB ophthalmology, positive shift by 3,700 and it went up to 27,879. In ENT also, the closing rank is 27,378, and DNB anesthesia went up to 33,782 by after positive shift in round 2 by 3,700, and radio oncology up to 32,937. So last clinical branch in DNB is 33,782. That's in general category DNB anesthesia. Now let's talk about DNB NB diploma. So NB diploma, all the branches has got positive shift. The DMRD closing rank is 15,833 and its negative shift comparison with last year. Okay, in the same round 2, last year it was 16,554, and this year 15,832, because in round 1 there was very less positive shift comparison with the last year round 1. DGO closing rank is 36,819 and positive shift by 1800. In TB chest diploma, positive shift by 5,320 and it went up to 40,561. In DCH, 2,000 of shift and closing rank is 36,210. Now coming to diploma in anesthesia, very good positive shift by 7,000 and closing rank is 63,000. In diploma in ophthalmology, shift by 10,000. Okay, and the first round also 11,000 and this round 10,000. The closing rank is 65,000. In ENT, shift by 14,000 and closing rank is 64,412. In diploma in family medicine, shifting by 6,000 and closing rank is 71,000. So last clinical diploma branch is diploma in family medicine, 71,521 comparison with the last year round 2, which was 67,265. So this is all about like cutoff. Okay, we will give you another video where we will discuss about the category wise cutoff for different branches and deemed university cutoff. Okay, so stay tuned. Soon we will upload another video. Thanks for watching.